Hello guys! I have a really big announcement to make. Mag-change na ako username from Ovenless Baker to Onegana na name. Nice na name. Hindi na ako ovenless. Hindi na ako ovenless. So I have bought a new oven. It is a Kyowa KW-3325 model. 45-liter capacity siya. Then, may Rotisserie Function din. But it does not have a convection function. So, I will be doing an unboxing video. So, i-unbox na natin yung order natin from Lazada. So, if you're curious, binili ko to sa LAZMALL, sa branch ng Kyowa. So, legit talaga kasi it's from a LAZMALL store. Oops. So far, I like the packaging. May bubble wrap, so safe ang nasa ilalim. Wait. Oh my God. So heavy, ha? Sure. Welcome, my mom. Yay! Let's open the oven na. Oh my God.
Wow.
So stay tuned for more videos because we will be trying to bake in this oven for the first time. Maybe tomorrow. Wag muna ngayon because I'm tired from biyahe. Just got home from Iligan. Share ko lang. Ready na? Oh my God.
Kuhaan mo muna.
Na, go na? I can't wait!
Hindi ako
Oh my God.
Wait, excuse me, my dear.
Wait. Welcome my dog, DJ Char. One of my dogs, actually. I have 3 dogs.
Sabi, anak na ina. Ay, grabe.
BJ! No! Oh my God, it's so big! It's so big! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God, wait. If, gawa sa ito, dessert ito, if ano, no? Oh my God, how do I... Wait.
You have to...
Wait. Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me, mga anak.
Excuse.
Me.
Oh my God, the video. Yay! So here is the oven, the complete package. As you can see. Okay, let's get rid of the box. Oh, meron pa pala dito. So let's review the oven first and then the other features later. So as you can see, it's very large. Oh my God. Ay, wag na. I joke. Oh my God, I did not expect this to be so big. This is so unexpected. Electric. Yes. Okay lang. Okay, that's up. So this is the sales invoice. Serves as receipt na lang din. If merong mga problema, warranty card, ito na rin. Pwede mo siya i-return if meron siyang mga defects at ma-replace siya. So, ganito kalaki yung oven. And here are the other features. Oh my God, it's so big. Wow. So, if you're curious how much yung price nito, it's actually just, I think, nakalimutan ko. Basta if a-flash ko sa screen, somewhere around here. So, hindi lang oven yung kasama dito. Where's my scissor? I joke.
Bruh.
Meron siyang, core ay tray holder. Kasi mainit yung tray pag kinukuha mo yung wire rack sa oven. So, of course, hindi ka makaka-bake if you do not have a wire rack. So, ito. Oops. Let me just untangle. Ito yung wire rack. Ilalagay mo sa ilalim. Pipili ka lang ng shelf and then you just slide it inside. Makita siya? Can you see, guys? Yan, oh. Pipili ka lang ng shelf. Busy na ako. So, this is the oven. Meron siyang glass lid. I really like the glass lid kasi makikita mo yung sa ilalim. How's your cake doing? Diba? You can
So, pwede
update.
ka magluto ng manok.
Yes. Speaking of manok, this oven has a rotisserie function, meaning you can roast chicken, meat. So, this is the rotisserie rod. And the rotisserie fork sa chicken. Na mo sa glitchon. Tuhogon ni mo chuchu. So, if you can notice, okay, let's take out the wire wrap. Meron siyang ganito. Dito mo i-insert yung rotisserie rod. And then, magro-rotate na yan siya.
So, pasok ang chicken dito. Ha?
Yes.
Tusok?
Ito pala yung mag-grab sa rack. Wrong pala yung kanina. So, for example, ipapasok ko yung, let's just say this is hot. So, just gonna grab this. O, diba? Galing. So, then you can get your pan outside without having to touch it. So, enough with that. Meron din tayong free sheet pan. So, hindi lang to sheet pan actually.
Para sa
It serves two purposes. Kapag magro-roast ka ng chicken, you know naman na magdi-drip siya ng oil, di ba? So, ito yung magka-catch ng oil. Siya yung oil drip tray.
Dito ang hindi pwede sa...
No, because inside the oven, ito yung heating element. Pag isasaksak mo to, ito yung mag-glow. Na, meron sa baba at meron sa itaas. So, meron tayong tatlong knobs dito. The first knob controls the temperature. Then, ang second knob naman, ito yung magkocontrol kung saang heating element ang mag-on. Sa bottom ba or sa top. So, you just switch the knobs depending upon your cooking conditions. Like, for example, gusto nating mag-roast. So, or mag-bake. So, gusto natin ang bottom at ang top element ay mag-heat up para even yung cooking. So, we will go into the master class of this oven later if makikilala ko na yung oven ko in the future. And the third knob is the timer. So, hindi ka na magpo-problema na mag-set ng alarm sa phone mo. Okay lang. So, again, this is the sheet pan. The wire rack. So, I can bake 2 cakes at a time, I think. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I'm so excited. So, we're gonna plug in the oven now. After plugging in, whoops. Let's just hang. Let's move this on the middle rack. Let's just say here, on the topmost rack. And then let's hang it in here. Voila. So, Cupcake Gemma, if you know her from YouTube, she recommended that you place the oven thermometer in different parts of the oven to make sure if there are hot spots or cold spots in your oven, and that is exactly what we're doing today. So, we're gonna turn on our temperature, let's say at the highest, 250. I'm kind of scared, so I don't want to overwork it. Let's just try the double heating element. I turned on both top and the bottom. And let's start on the timer for about 50 minutes. Okay, you can see that it's glowing. I turned it on. Oh my gosh, so it's the test run. Okay guys, I've checked the temperature. It turns out that
my oven is behind at about 20 degrees Celsius. Mas mataas yung reading ng oven thermometer ko for 20 degrees Celsius, but it's alright. And the LED light is working, the switch knobs are working fine, the LED door is opening and closing smoothly. So now, each check natin how many pans we can fit into the oven. So let's start with 6-inch tins, round tins. So, sa isang rack, we can fit about 2. If gagamitin natin yung sheet pan, we could fit about 4 layers in every batch. Which is very good because hindi ka na kailangang mag-wait for another batch. Thus, saving more time and energy. Next naman ay ang ating 6 by 6 inches square tin. And I could see that it's about 4 pa rin, 4 tins in every batch. I only have 1 tin kasi kailangan ko pang bumili. But yeah, I can visualize. I think it's gonna fit 4 layers. Next up is our 10-inch round tin. So this unfortunately can only fit about 2 layers in each batch. But it's alright. Kaysa sa yung makeshift oven ko that I can only fit 1 round tin per batch, which is very exhausting. So for the 6 by 8 rectangular tin, I could fit about 4 tins pa rin in every batch, which is nice. And there's a lot of space because the tin is very slender and thus giving much more space in the oven. And for my 8-inch angel food cake pan, well, I could only fit 1 because obviously super tangkad ng tin ito and you don't want to constrict this cake because it will volumize a lot. As you know, a chiffon cake really puffs up when it bakes. So yeah, can only fit 1 in every batch. This 11-inch round springform pan, just like the 10-inch pan, only 2 layers per batches ang malalagay natin sa oven, but it's fine. Lastly, I wanted to know what is the largest size of the tin that I could put inside the oven, and the largest one I have is a 12-inch springform square pan, and it fits perfectly even if I close the oven door. So I think it could fit about 12 by 14-inch rectangular pans. So yeah, it's really great. And so here I am at nighttime. I tried to bake my chocolate mug cake in my oven for the first time to see if it really works. And oh my god, just look at those cakes. They're puffing up so nicely. And I'm really loving the oven. So, yeah, I'm waiting for these cakes to bake. I should ask these cakes their beauty reg. Ooh, the bell rang. It's ready. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? That was just the cutest sound ever. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that. So yeah, I just realized that this oven turns itself off once the timer is up, and that is a big bonus for me because usually I tend to forget that I'm baking something and then I end up burning my cake. So that's a big no-no. So yeah, it's a really great oven. If you're planning to buy this model, I would definitely recommend. But if you want a larger oven, Kyowa offers a 60-liter capacity in their list of products. So this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more videos in the future. And if you don't want to miss an update, click the notification bell. So I hope you have a wonderful holiday and please enjoy the rest of your day. This is Maku signing off.